Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do partitions to your hard disk or solid state drive, SSD. Just go to Windows and search for create and format hard disk partitions, or you can just search for partitions and it will show you option. Just click on it and it will take you to disk management option. There you can see I've got Windows C with 476 GB. It is unpartitioned and now I'm gonna partition it into new volume D. Just click on right click on it and you can see shrink volume option. Just click on it. After verifying whether you have volume to shrink, it will take you into a new dialog box where you can shrink Windows C, local disk drive C, and create a new volume D or any letter you can change it to. There you can see I've got 41,413 MB. It will show you size in MB. You can reduce it and just click on shrink and it will create a new volume. It won't actually create a volume, but it will partition it. Partition your Windows C, SSD. I've got 512 GB SSD and it is going to partition into a new drive. There it is. I've got 404.27 GB and it is unallocated. Just right click on it and click on new simple volume. There you can set into volume. After clicking next, you can set in the letter you want. There it is. I've assigned it to D. Just click on next and next. It will format this volume, this unallocated volume, and create a new volume D. And now I'll show you how to delete this volume and extend Windows C into complete drive. You can even do it new volume D into even more partitions, but it is unnecessary. There you can see in this PC you got Windows C and new volume D. Now let's look at how to delete and extend the volume of Windows C. Just click on delete volume, and as soon as you click delete, the new volume D will get erased and go into unallocated format. You need to unallocate it to extend the previous volume. Now go to Windows C and right click it and click on extend volume. There will show you how much size it can get extended into. By clicking next and finish, that's it. Windows C gets extended to complete GB. 476 GB, that's it. And thank you guys. If you like my video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.